The accumulation of toxins we are constantly being exposed to nowadays via our food, chemicals, pollution, and stress can lead to various health issues since it makes us prone to numerous diseases. Therefore, we can significantly improve the function of the entire body and prevent such health problems if we detoxify the colon and cleanse the intestines. The excess waste and toxic buildup in the colon can cause numerous unpleasant symptoms, so when cleansed, one feels lighter, the digestion is improved, and the appetite is suppressed. Raw fruit and vegetable juices are rich in elements that cleanse the colon, such as fiber, phytochemicals, beneficial plant chemicals, and natural sugars that act as laxatives, like sorbitol and fructose. People who conduct colon cleanses claim that they offer the following benefits: improved liver function, boosted immune system, increased energy, detoxification, reduced risk of colon cancer, improved mood, weight loss, relieved bloating, cramps, and gas. The following colon cleansing drink will help you eliminate any toxins and lose extra pounds. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber, a slice of pineapple, 1 orange, juiced, an apple, green or red, 1/2 aloe vera leaf. Instructions: rinse the cucumber, slice it, and repeat the same with the apple. Then, divide the aloe vera leaf in two, and squeeze the gel from one of the halves. Mix all the ingredients in the blender, add a glass of water and the orange juice, and drink this beverage twice daily, in the morning, on an empty stomach, and in the afternoon. Make sure you also at least 8 glasses of water during the day. After a week, you will feel much better and you will also lose weight. The improvements will amaze you.